Hey y'all, it's Janai. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show y'all some stuff that I got for Christmas, as well as some stuff that I bought shortly after Christmas. I got a lot of great things that I'm really excited to show y'all. So let's get started. So the first few things that I do want to show y'all are makeup products. And the first thing that I want to show y'all is this powder contour kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And it is in the color Tan to Deep. This is actually the first Anastasia product that I've ever owned, so I'm excited to try it out. I haven't used it yet, but I'm sure that I'll love it because I know Anastasia is a very well-liked brand. And here is the palette. It has 6 singles in it, 6 different colors. The top row is the contour shades and the bottom row are the highlight shades. This top color right here I think would be a good contour color for me, and then I think this bottom color right here would be a good highlight color for me. So yeah, like I said, really excited to use this, and I'll let you know how well this works for me. Alright, next I have for y'all the Saharan palette by Juvia's Place. This is actually the second palette that I have from Juvia's Place. The other palette that I have is the Nubian, which in comparison to the Saharan is much more neutral. So I feel like these palettes complement each other really well. Okay. And you can see what I mean. Like the Saharan has very bold colors like red, orange, pink, and gold. So yeah, it's just super pretty, and I love the Nubian palette, so I'm excited to try out this palette, and I'm sure I'm gonna love it just as much as I love the Nubian. Alright, and I also got my hands on some Fenty Beauty for Christmas, so I was really excited about that. Anything that Rihanna does, I'm just always 100% behind, honestly. So first of all, I got the Freestyle Kilowatt Highlighter. It is right here. And I got it in the color Trophy Wife. And I honestly love this highlighter. I love the way it looks on my skin. It has a very light shimmer on it. Something about it, the way it just sits on my skin, I just really like. And the other highlighters I have used don't really have that same effect, but I'm definitely a fan of this. And here is the compact. See, as you can see, it's very gold, it's very glittery and very shimmery, and I'm just really obsessed with it. Super glad that I got this. Yeah. And I also was able to get Gloss Bomb. I really like this lip gloss. I think it's really great for everyday use. It makes your lips look nice and shimmery. Just really makes them pop. So, very excited to use this. I love it. It's great. And that is all the makeup that I got for Christmas. And the next thing that I do want to show y'all is the Polaroid camera that I got for Christmas. This is the Instax Mini 9. And I've really been wanting a Polaroid for a minute just because I think Polaroids are really cute. Like the little pictures are great, or it's just a really artsy way to capture memories, and yeah, just really been wanting one for a minute. And this Polaroid, it came with several very useful accessories. Like it came with this wrist strap, and for those of you who have the camera, like straps are lifesavers. Like I don't know what I would do without the strap around my own camera that I'm using right now. And then it also came with some film, honestly the most important thing. And this film is actually rainbow colored, which I thought was cool, as opposed to the usual white Polaroid film that you get. And it came with 10 sheets of film, so I think that's pretty nice. And then the camera also came with these 2 AA batteries, which I thought was nice, because then once you get the camera, you don't have to immediately go out to the store and get the batteries. And then the camera also came with this cute little sticker. It's really cute. I think it would be perfect for me to put on my laptop. because I love putting stickers on my laptop. And then the camera also came with this magnifying lens, which would be used to take close-up pictures of things. I think it's just another great way to try to be artsy with your picture taking. So yeah. And that is it for the Polaroid camera. I'm very excited. I haven't used it yet, but I'm definitely going to play around with it when I get a good opportunity. Alright, and now I'm going to show y'all some clothes that I got for Christmas. And here are some sunglasses. I got these from H&M. And I actually bought these in order to replace another pair of sunglasses that I bought from H&M. They kind of just up and disappeared. I have no idea where I lost them or anything. And these are almost exactly the same. And these are actually both priced about the same, except when I went up to the register to pay for these, the cashier told me that these were only $1. So that made me even more excited about buying these, because to like pay so little for something that's replacing something that I lost, it was just, it made it even more great. So yeah. I just really need a pair of black sunglasses, and I really like this style, and I think they're super cute. Alright, and then next I have these jeans. I got these from Charlotte Russe. They are from their Refuge label that they carry, and I really only wear light wash jeans, and I only had one pair of light wash jeans before I bought these, so that's why I went out and got another pair. These are also distressed. They have a hole across the knee right here. And I don't have any distressed jeans either, so that's another reason I bought these. And then you can see the hem on these are distressed, and that's really trending in jeans right now. And I really like these because I think they're a little bit different, because jeans that are distressed at the hem, they are typically cut straight across, but you see that these are cut inward a little bit. So I think that makes them unique. It makes them stand out a little bit more. So yeah. And I also got this t-shirt. It has Drake on it as Jimmy from Degrassi. Like I said, I am obsessed with Drake, so this is a great gift. I'm also just really obsessed with graphic t-shirts right now, so I was really excited to get this. And then next I have these Adidas Joggers. I've really been wanting a pair of Adidas Joggers for a minute now, just because I think they're super cute and they look super comfortable, and athletic wear, athleisure is really big right now. It's really trendy, and I think these are kind of perfect for that, because you can just wear these to class, but like they're still kind of just fashionable. Like you can wear these without you can wear these to class and be comfortable without looking bummy, which I think is the ultimate goal of any college student, really. And then next I got even more Adidas. I have this black Adidas logo tee. If you can't tell, I'm clearly obsessed with Adidas. Just really love their brand. I think the brand is super fashionable, like I said, and I really just love anything that they put out. So I was excited to get this t-shirt, because I think, you can wear it a lot of ways because it's black and white. I love to just mix and match my black and white things just to create new outfits. Those are all the clothes that I got for Christmas, and now I'm going to show y'all some of the shoes that I got. Okay, first I have several pairs of Vans to show y'all, and this first pair is actually these Checkerboard slides. I have been obsessed with these for a minute now, so I was really excited to get my hands on these. I was really struggling to find them because they are completely sold out online. And I went to the Vans store and I couldn't find them in the Vans store, and the sales associate in Vans tried to find them online after a while of passing between the last time I checked, and they're still out of stock. So I finally went into Journeys and they had these, and I was just so happy when I saw them, because like I said, I've been looking for them. And I just really like these because I think that the checkerboard print makes them a little bit different than other slides. I haven't really been seeing too many people wear pattern slides, and I think the checkerboard print also gives them kind of more of a streetwear kind of feel. So I'm just really excited to wear these and add them to my slides collection. So yeah, I have some more Vans for y'all. I also got the checkerboard slip-on Vans, and I know a lot of people have these, and I just think these are still super cute, and I think they're just a great addition to anyone's closet because, you know, the checkerboard print kind of makes them stand out. Not too many shoes really, not too many shoes really have this print, and the black and white makes them compatible with any type of outfit really. So yeah, I'm just really excited to wear these. I already have one of them and they're really comfortable, and I'm definitely glad that I added these to my sneaker collection. Alright, and then for my last pair of Vans, I have the Sk8 Hi black and white high tops, and I was really excited about getting these because I think that these are a great addition to anyone's closet. Like I said, I know a lot of people own these, but I think that these can be worn a lot of different ways. I have seen girls wear these with like skirts and some fishnet tights, but also like jeans or leggings. Like, you can really wear these like so many ways, and that's why I think these shoes are so great. Plus, I think anyone's wardrobe really does need a pair of black high tops. So yeah, I haven't worn these shoes yet, but I'm very excited about having these, and I'm sure they're going to be just as comfortable as the checkerboard Vans, so very excited. And next, I have some Nikes for y'all. These are some Air Force Ones in a wheat color, and these have a suede finish if you can't tell. And I've really been trying to get my hands on sneakers like these for a minute. I've just really been obsessed with the color, and I also just am really obsessed with the silhouette of Air Force Ones. So yeah, I am really obsessed with Nike, and I like these. They just have a different look compared to other sneakers that I have, so really excited to just have these. I haven't worn them yet, but I'm definitely going to be wearing them in the near future. And then, last but not least, I finally have a pair of Uggs. This is the first pair of Uggs that I've owned. The closest thing I've ever had to these, I had some Bear Paws in middle school, but other than that, that's about it. These are the classic 2 Uggs, the classic 2 tall Uggs rather, and in the color chestnut. These are probably the most standard pair of Uggs that you see most people have, and I bought these shoes just because I think these are really good like shoes for going to class or just running out the house real quick, but they're also still really cute and really comfortable because I have worn these before, I've worn them out before, and they're very soft on my feet, and I'm really glad that I finally got a pair of these because I think they're great. Like, they're just very useful shoes to have that I think every girl needs in her closet. So yeah. Alright, well that is it for my Christmas / shopping haul. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I hope y'all like some of the stuff you saw that I got. And I will be sure to leave some links down below in the comments section, just so you can like try and find something if you saw anything that you did like. And be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank y'all for watching, and be sure to be on the lookout for my next video.